Welcome back to this beautiful channel, Birds Beauties. In this episode, we're going to see and learn more about the birds and other birds and Guinness. Here are some birds with Guinness World Records. First, fastest bird, the peregrine falcon, reaching speeds of up to 200 mph during its dive. Second one, the largest extinct bird, the elephant bird, native to Madagascar, stood about 3.3 meters tall and weighed 500 kilograms. Its eggs were as large as dinosaur eggs. The most acrobatic bird, the European roller, is known for its aerial acrobatics, performing 360-degree spins mid-air. Number 4. Smallest bird, the Cuban bee hummingbird, measures only 2 centimeters in length, making it the world's tiniest bird. Number 5. Oldest living bird species, the Holstein, which traces its lineage back to the age of dinosaurs, has a unique digestive system similar to dead cows. Number 6. Highest flying bird, the Rubel's griffin vulture, can soar to an altitude of 11,274 meters. 7. Deepest living bird. Some penguins can dive to depths of 500 meters. Hope to enjoy. Bye.